What's up, everyone? I'm just getting the holes figured out on body tube. I got the bolt-on lock ring printing. Should be done in 5 hours. It's gonna go on the butt. It's gonna bolt up. I gotta clean this up. It'll look better. That's where we're at for now. I gotta order a parachute, some more hardware, and looking at possibly extending this, the shoulder on it, or the connector. Looking a little short. Might make it longer, just for snugger fit, kind of like this. How tall this is. More updates to come.